Log into the REDCap application and select My Projects. For the purpose of this video, I'll choose the Playground project. Under Data Collection, select Add Edit Records to add a new record. Select the button to add a new record. You'll be directed to the record home page, and for the data collection instrument, choose Text Messaging. In order for your participant to receive the text reminders, they will have to provide a valid cell phone number. If you'd like to test a participant phone number, do this on the Just4Us webpage by clicking Test Phone Number. Type in the number and select the Send SMS Message button. The participant will then receive a text to confirm the receipt. Return to REDCap and provide the verified cell number. Please make sure the phone number is unique and you only have one record per phone number. Then, ask the participant to provide a date for the intervention so that they can start receiving the text reminders. You can click to choose today's start date, or you can click the calendar for more options. Next, ask the participant to specify a text reminder asking whether or not they got the prescription filled and are ready to start taking the medication. The participant will receive the first text on a weekly basis and can determine the time of day they'd like for the text to come. After opting into the weekly message, the participant will receive a reminder message. Ask them to specify this message and determine whether they would like to receive the same reminder text for each day. If the participant wants to receive a different reminder for each day, they can specify a second and third reminder message. Once again, ask them to choose the time of day they'd like to receive the text reminder. If the participant doesn't respond within an hour, they'll receive a follow-up message. Have the participant specify the follow-up text and decide if they'd like to receive the same follow-up message each day. Then, determine the time. Many women like their follow-up to come an hour after receiving the reminder message. For the active set, if the participant chooses active, they'll start receiving messages. If they choose inactive, they will not and will remain unsubscribed. Please make sure to choose Complete from the drop-down menu, so then the application can pull the record and start the messaging process. And you can choose to save and exit the form. Log into Just4Us to access your study. Since we've already been working in the playground, we'll choose this and click View Participants. If you type in the participant's verified phone number into the search bar, all the information will come up. So the reminder and the follow-up texts, all of this will show here along with the phone number. If you click on the green button, you'll be able to see the SMS history in a text message format with the text your participant received and sent to Just4Us. If you click on the gray button, you can view an SMS report that shows the messages along with the intervention phases during which these messages were exchanged. And the yellow button shows the change history, so any changes your participant made to the follow-up text and when exactly this occurred will all show here.